Red biotechnology means human needed medicines are synthesized by using of techniques in the biology called red biotechnology. Red biotechnology is also called medicinal biotechnology. By the red biotechnology, human needed products are synthesized, they are followed. One is vaccines, second one is monoclonal antibodies, third one is interferons, and fourth one is growth hormones, and fifth one is insulin. These are the major products synthesized by the red biotechnology: vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, interferons, growth hormones, and insulin. So first we discussed about the vaccines. Vaccines means dead microorganisms. Dead microorganisms like bacteria, like virus, are injected into the human body, called vaccination. Dead microorganisms are injected into the human body is called vaccination. The synthesis of dead microorganisms like bacteria and virus called vaccine. Vaccines. Nowadays we suffered with COVID-19. COVID-19 virus. The COVID-19 vaccine is synthesized by the dead microorganisms of the COVID-19 virus, or slightly changed the DNA of COVID-19 virus. The changes means harmful DNA is eliminated from the virus and they are injected into the human body, is also called vaccination. Is also called vaccination. By this vaccination, we can, means human can produce more number of antibodies against of the microorganisms, against of the dead microorganisms. Our body is realized to synthesize more number of antibodies. He realized that dead bodies are enter into the human body, but our body is not identified they are dead or they are living. All are foreign bodies. The foreign bodies enter into the foreign microorganisms enter into the human body. Automatically, our body produced more number of antibodies. That antibodies are synthesized rapidly from our blood cells, WBC. So in future days, any other microorganisms, any living organisms of COVID-19 virus or any other viruses are enter into the human body, automatically antibodies are synthesized in our body. These antibodies are catch the virus and they are killed by the antibodies. So automatically we are gain acquired immunity. Acquired immunity means we have immunity. That immunity is synthesized by the production of antibodies. Synthesized by the production of antibodies. If any microorganisms enter into our body, that microorganisms released some chemical substance, protein chemical substance. That protein chemical substance are called antigens. The antigens are toxic chemicals. The toxic chemicals are killed by antibodies. Antibodies are produced by our WBC. Our WBC produced antibodies. That antibodies identified antigen including virus. They are killed by the antibodies. Automatically we are survive from the disease, a cure from the disease. So next here it is acquired immunity. Immunity that develops during your lifetime. There are two types mainly. One is active immunity, second one is positive immunity or passive immunity. Active immunity means develops in response to an infection or vaccination. It is a natural condition. Active immunity means develops in response to an infection or vaccination. It is our two types. Active immunity also two types. One is natural, second one is artificial. Natural means if any microorganisms are enter into our body, automatically our body produce antibodies. Antibodies develops in the response to an infection. Infection means any microorganism enter into our body, they released antigens. Opposite of antigens, our body produced antibodies. Naturally, antibodies produced by the WBC, our immunity system. So these type of immunity is called natural active immunity. And artificial immunity means antibodies developed in response to a vaccination. Vaccination means the dead bodies of microorganisms injected into the human body. So automatically our body realized they are the living microorganisms, they are the living foreign microorganisms. So our body realized and they can produce, our cells, WBC cells produced antibodies. That antibodies production is called artificial active immunity. And the next one, passive immunity. Passive immunity means develops after you receive antibodies from someone or somewhere else. There are also two types. Passive immunity also two types. One is natural immunity. Second one is artificial passive immunity. Natural passive immunity mean antibodies received from mother. Example, through the breastfeeding milk. Through the breast milk, antibodies are received at the childhood age. Antibodies are received from the breast milk of mother. So automatically antibody received in a natural condition called passive immunity. Natural passive immunity. Artificial passive immunity means antibodies received from medicine. Antibodies received from a medicine. Example, from a gamma globulin injection or infusion. The taking of antibiotics into our body, called artificial passive immunity. The next one is monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies means these are homogeneous preparations of antibodies in which very antibody in the product is identical in its protein sequence, and thus every antibody is expected to have the same antigen recognition site, affinity, biological interactions, and the downstream biological effects. Mean similar structure of antibodies produced in a large quantity called monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal means similar, same protein sequence, same antigen recognition site, synthesized of antibodies is called monoclonal antibodies. The production of monoclonal antibodies is called hybridoma technology. See, another important point, each antibody is only refer for only single antigen. The single antibody refers to single antigen only. Mean, for example, COVID-19 antibodies are synthesized in our body. The COVID-19 antibodies are fight on the COVID-19 virus antigen, so not other antigens. Mean antibodies, specific antibodies react with the specific antigens only. So the specific antibodies production in a large quantity is called monoclonal antibodies. It is also called hybridoma technology. And the next third one is interferons. Some virus cells enter into our body, enter into human body. The virus cell should select a one cell from the human body, and it occupied that cells. That virus participated in the rapid divisions, the production of more number of virus cells in the cell, in the host cell. At that time, the host cell can produce the virus infected cell. The virus infected host cell can produce protein chemical substance. That protein chemical substance are called interferons. That interferons are fight on the virus reproductive system. So virus reproductive system will be stopped by the interferons. They cannot produce more number of virus. They cannot participate in the rapid divisions. If interferons are released, the virus generations are stopped. The production of virus generations are stopped by the interferons. Means virus infected cells are produced protein particles called interferons. That interferons are fight with the virus reproductive system. So automatically virus reproductive system will be reduced. They cannot produce in the next generation. This type of production of interferons called biotechnology interferons. They are synthesized in the artificially at outside of the human body. These interferon proteins also synthesized by the biotechnology. And the next one in growth hormone, mainly human growth hormone, HGH, human growth hormone. The human growth hormone is synthesized from the pituitary gland of human body. The pituitary gland present near the brain. The pituitary gland generally produced human growth hormone. If the pituitary gland is not proper in function by the tumor causing hypopituitarism, mean decreased hormonal output. Decreased hormonal output means human growth hormone cannot release from the pituitary gland. At that time, the human beings are shows dwarfism. By these dwarfism, the man or human beings cannot develop into 6 feet of height or 5 feet of height. They can develop up to 2 feet of height only or 3 feet of height only. These are synthesized. These means the hormones are synthesized. The hormones are synthesized by the rDNA technology. By the using of rDNA technology, we collected from the HGH producing hormone gene from the pituitary gland. It inserted into the host cell by the vehicle. That host cell means E. coli bacteria mainly. That E. coli bacteria are produced artificially human growth hormone. That artificially produced human growth hormone is also called somatotropin. Somatotropin means artificially synthesized human growth hormone by using of rDNA technology. The somatotropin is injected into the dwarfism suffering peoples. They are automatically survive from the dwarfism. So next, and insulin. Insulin main function is control of sugar levels in the blood. Mainly the insulin produced by the pancreas isolates. Pancreas B cells are produced insulin. That insulin is controlled the sugar levels in the blood. If the pancreas isolates cannot release insulin, the sugar levels in increased position in the blood, automatically the person shows diabetes. The diabetes persons are suffered with high levels of sugars in the blood. So how to gain these disease? By the reducing of insulin. By the reducing of insulin in the human body. Artificially synthesized insulin. Artificially synthesized insulin by the using of rDNA technology. That insulin is called humulin. The diabetes suffered persons are take injection as insulin. As insulin means artificial insulin injection into the human body, automatically diabetes patients are survive from the diabetes disease or cure from the disease. Artificially synthesized insulin is also called humulin.